So anytime you become uncomfortable today, either tune me out completely if that works for you and if that benefits you, or breathe in and breathe out when something is weird or uncomfortable, and after the third breath, you're going to be fine. It's just called, it's just a shift, it's just a change. How many of you want your kids to change their behaviors? And I'm asking you to change your behaviors, and you're immediately just becoming oppositional because you're human. I want to hear from some people, why should your kids, I'm not going to say why should your kids listen to you, because we already had that conversation. So next time you catch yourself going, you're not listening, oh, why are you choosing not to follow my directions? Or you can just go, you're not being a listener, be right, benefit yourself, and don't benefit the child. Remember, every conversation you have with another person, it's either to benefit them or to benefit you. Nothing's right, nothing's wrong. You can totally be a teacher that just benefits yourself by being right all day. Or you can be a teacher that goes, I really have no idea what I'm doing, I'm going to let the kids teach me, and then all of a sudden magic happens. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.